Hey guys, I'm AJ Gamer, and in today's video I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Fortron VR. So guys, this is a nice VR and it's quite cheap. Like you get it for, I'll show you. You can see. You get it for 1990 rupees. So it's quite cheap and it's very good in quality for that reason or stuff. And yes guys, you can scan this barcode on top of the box and then you can just get it or get it from the official website, or you can just get some apps for this VR. So guys, you first have to read all these instructions and stuff. So I'll set them for you and I'll catch you guys up in a while. So guys, till that you can scan your the barcode from your mobile if you don't have one on the box. And guys, I'll join you guys back in a second. Yeah. So guys, you all must have been scanning the barcode. Now you can see guys, the importer of this thing is Fortronics Inc. and the regarded office is unit 110111 BLDG B18 Arihant Commercial Complex, Pune Village, Bhiwandi, Thane. So guys, I don't know this from which state of our country, but I guess it's from Hyderabad. Yeah, it's from Hyderabad. Yeah guys, and its month of MFG and import is August 2017, and customer care is www.help@fortron.in. Yeah guys, so let's check out what's in the box. So first, when we open our box at the first glance, you see your VR box like this, and then we have to pull our VR out. So guys, you have to do this gently because this VR is so delicate and this is a cheap VR. So every time you open the front of the VR, one little piece cracks out. So guys, in the box you get a microfiber cloth, you get some foam buttons, and you get your VR itself. So guys, on the right side of your VR, you get a slide opening like this. And yes guys, the most thing to tell you, I have an iPhone 6s, so it doesn't fit inside it properly. So you have to place 3 or 4 foam buttons in this for that. And guys, this is a good opening and this is very durable, and this also has a lock, click lock. Like if you pull it out fully, then this locks, and you pull it again and leave it, so this goes down. I'll show you one more time. Locked, unlocked. Yeah. So, and if you have to clean your lenses from the front, you have this opening. You have to hold it from here and pull it really very hard guys. But each time you pull this out, one little piece cracks out. Like see, it cracked out from here and from here too. So guys, this is not very durable VR, but if you get this for rupees 350, so it's the best VR I think, because I got this for 350. Its MRP is quite a bit high, like 2000 rupees, I told you guys, 1990 rupees. But on Amazon, this is on 85% discount, so you get this for rupees 350 rupees are delivery charges for Delhi at my location. So guys, when you open this, you see your VR like this. So guys, inside the VR you have your lenses. You can adjust the lenses by these buttons. Like you can just pull them back up to adjust the focus, and these little buttons are for left and right. In, out, left, right. Guys, I recommend you for the outer adjustment more, and this has to be totally back. This gives you the best focus of this VR. Actually, for my age, like 13 or 14 years, if you're a 13 or 14-year child, or you're a teenager, so you can use this on like half mode. Like these buttons need to be in the middle. But if you're a very small child, you use this for a very small child, like 5 to 10 years or so, then you have to make them totally in, and this thing has to be totally down. But an adult, if an adult is using this, then you have to pull these totally out. Guys, I recommend this one more. And yeah, these straps are totally detachable and reattachable. See guys, I can slide it in again. It's a bit difficult with the fractured hand, but I'm doing it for you guys. Oh guys, actually this also has a way. Like you have to slide it this way in. So it has a click for that. And yeah, this is a good VR. And yes guys, if you're cleaning your VR, you have to keep in mind these lenses are very delicate, so you don't have to push them hard or anything like that. You just have to clean them gently with this cloth. See them like this, clean them up. And you can see they are totally clear. I will show you how like we are wearing this VR. Guys, I cannot even look at the phone. I don't understand what is it. Like it's not a good view if you're directly looking for something. Oh yeah, guys, if you put your hands inside this VR, just right behind the lenses, so you can see your hands in portrait mode. That's an interesting feature guys. And yeah, how these 4 buttons work. I have pasted one on my VR because I opened this box earlier also. So I guess you can see this one. It's a very small foam button. I'll show you. The foam button is this size. Yeah. So guys, you just have to rip it off and put it on your sliding, and after that you have, and yeah guys, this VR has a special feature that if you slide this Photon logo towards the side of these little holes, you can give access to your camera, and these holes are for speakers. And if you want to use headphones or earpods, so you have 3 holes here and like these 3 holes in there on the other side. So guys, I opened this thing up 3 times, and all the times I cracked the little pieces up. So I'll tell you the perfect way to close it. You take your VR with this strap up, and the logo should be upwards only. And yeah guys, one more thing I want to tell you. This thing also is removable. Like if you get dirty and you want to wash it, so you just have, these are like little clickings, so you just have to place them in gently until you hear a click. See. Guys, now what you have to do is take your VR box in the perfect way, keep this lid on it, guys, you don't have to press it very hard, otherwise your pieces will crack up like mine. You just have to press it gently in like this until you hear quite a bit clicks. I think I'm doing it the wrong way. That's why every single time my plates get broken and this gets popped out. I try to do it perfectly. Press it until you hear 8 clicks. You have to hear 8 clicks, and then you can place your phone in it. Guys, you have to wait a while because this phone which I'm using, this camera which I'm using to record my videos doesn't has a pause button. So please wait a while till I bring a phone and show you how to place it in. So until that, you guys can read a magazine. Yeah. I will take out an interesting page for you. Okay. Guys, you can read about these apples. It's very interesting. I was also reading this a while ago. So you read this till I come back. Yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed. This is the phone. It's a J2 Pro. You have to take this thing that the sliding tray is upwards like this. Now you just have to take your phone, align it to the middle, and just push it in, and done. And then you can slide this thing inside the VR, and to give access to camera, you just open this. Done. And guys, the best app for the VR is VEER. And guys, this is not a VR compatible device, J2 Pro, but if you want to know about most common VR compatible devices, so you can get Xiaomi Redmi Note, all versions, all MI phones, all Apple phones, and Oppo F1S, F1.3 and F1.5. F1.2 and F1.4 are not compatible for VRs. And yes, guys, you can also use Samsung phones. But I don't like Samsung, I don't know why. This is even not my phone. It's just kept like this. So, at the last, you take this thing, slide it in, and then you can enjoy your VR. You're totally done, guys. Thank you and a bye bye from the AJ Gamer.